Welcome to our multi-recipe and cookery channel, where culinary adventures await you. Get ready to indulge your senses, explore diverse flavors, and master the art of cooking with our expert chefs. From delectable desserts to savory delights, we're here to inspire your inner chef and elevate your kitchen skills. Join us on this mouthwatering journey as we share the joy of cooking and the love of food. Let's embark on a flavorful ride together. The secret recipe: homemade Ferrero Rocher Magic. Once upon a time, in a small and quaint town, there lived a young and passionate chocolatier named Amelia. She had a dream of creating the most delightful and unique chocolates that would enchant everyone who tasted them. One day, she stumbled upon a mysterious book in her late grandmother's attic, which contained a long-lost recipe for the legendary homemade Ferrero Rocher. Intrigued by the prospect of making this delectable treat, Amelia decided to embark on an exciting adventure to recreate the magic of Ferrero Rocher in her own kitchen. Little did she know that this quest would lead her to discover the essence of true chocolate artistry. Ingredients: 200 grams of hazelnuts, 200 grams of high-quality milk chocolate, 100 grams of dark chocolate, 150 grams of Nutella, or any hazelnut spread, 100 grams of powdered sugar, 100 grams of crushed wafer biscuits, can be replaced with graham crackers. Edible gold dust, optional, for decoration. Preparation: toast the hazelnuts. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Spread the hazelnuts on a baking sheet and toast them for about 10 minutes or until the skins start to crack. Remove them from the oven and let them cool slightly. Remove the skins. Place the toasted hazelnuts in a clean kitchen towel and rub them together to remove the skins. Don't worry if not all the skin comes off. A little is perfectly fine for added texture. Chocolate shells. Melt the milk chocolate and dark chocolate together using a double boiler or microwave, stirring until smooth. Take small silicone molds, hemispheres or spheres, and fill each cavity halfway with the melted chocolate. Filling: in a bowl, mix Nutella, powdered sugar, and crushed wafer biscuits until well combined. Take small scoops of the filling mixture and gently press them into the center of each chocolate-filled mold. Hazelnut core. Take a toasted hazelnut and place it in the center of the filling in each mold, pressing it down slightly. Sealing. Cover the filling and hazelnut core in each mold with more melted chocolate until the cavities are filled to the top. Chilling. Place the molds in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour to allow the chocolates to set completely. Golden touch, optional. Once the chocolates are set, remove them from the molds. If you wish to add a touch of luxury, dust the chocolates with edible gold dust, giving them an exquisite appearance. Ingredients and preparations methods are in the description box. Amelia tasted her homemade Ferrero Rocher and was overwhelmed with joy and satisfaction. She had managed to create a masterpiece that rivaled the iconic chocolates she had always admired. Word spread quickly about the young chocolatier and her magical creations. People from far and wide traveled to her little town, eager to taste the extraordinary homemade Ferrero Rocher. Amelia's sweet success brought prosperity to the town, and her chocolates became sought-after gifts during holidays and celebrations. But what made them truly special was the passion and love she poured into every creation. And so, the legend of Amelia's homemade Ferrero Rocher lived on, inspiring generations of chocolatiers and sweet enthusiasts around the world to pursue their own chocolate dreams and create something truly extraordinary with love and dedication. Subscribe now to unlock a world of culinary wonders. By joining our community, you'll gain access to a treasure trove of multi-recipes and cookery tips, delivered fresh to your inbox. Stay ahead of the culinary curve, elevate your kitchen game, and savor the joy of creating delicious masterpieces. Don't miss out on the chance to become a part of our passionate food-loving family. Hit that subscribe button and let's embark on this delectable journey together. Thank you for watching the video. Stay safe, have a good taste.